This 2021 Coachmen Mirada 35ES is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features slide-out, refrigerator, smoke detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.